We have more news coming in. BJP has alleged nepotism, power abuse by Khadge. BJP says land for civic amenities given to Khadge family. The SC quota was misused to give prime Bengaluru land. Khadge family-owned trust got a 5-acre aerospace land. BJP says it's Khadge family aerospace entrepreneur. I'm going to go across straight to Sagai Raj, who has more details on that story. Sagai, first of all, take us through the allegations that have been made and what have the Khadges said, essentially in their defense.
The Khadge family said that they have followed all the rules, and in fact, the applicant is Rahul Khadge, one of the sons of Mallikarjun Khadge, and he is a qualified engineer. And he has applied for this particular plot of 5 acres of land in Defence Tech Park. And Priyank Khadge has justified, saying that they qualify with all the criteria which has been laid on by the Karnataka Industrial Board, and that is one of the reasons with the land has been allocated. And if you notice, the MB Patil minister has also said that though the land has been allocated under SC/ST quota, but still they have paid the full money like any other candidate, like a general category candidate. So there was no concession which was being given to the Khadge family. But the BJP alleged that why you need to give it to Khadge's family, why there is a nepotism, just because Mallikarjun Khadge's son is Rahul Khadge. He's been rewarded with these lands. This clearly shows that the Congress is favoring their own party leaders. Why not to the other qualified applicants? Why only to the Congress men's family? And the activists who have filed a complaint with the governor of Karnataka demanding for a prosecution sanction against the minister has also alleged that despite there were so many qualified applicants, they have only given to the applicants which they wanted to. They have not called for any tender. That was not auctioned, and it was being given a single window clearance as per the protocol. But still, why only to the people whom they know?
All right, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now, Sagai Raj. We also have a reaction coming in from Ashwath Narayan on Congress misusing their position and power, is what he says. Listen.
The Congress government in the state of Karnataka, time and again, they've been misusing their power for their own personal gain and favoring. This has become the norm. They don't respect the law of the land, nor the constitution, nor the democratic values. It is very surprising to see they are justifying even the violation. If you look at this present government, they are trying to even justify CA site is allocated based on invitation. For what for it has been earmarked, and they have to give a notification, call for the application. On that basis they need to allocate on basis of merit or criteria condition. Here is a condition blatantly they've completely abused the power. They just made allocation based on their likes and dislikes. Now imagine the AICC president Mallikarjun Khadge and his entire family are the trustees of that trust. How they have been blatantly misusing with regard to the asset, disproportionate.
More news coming in. Whistleblower claims big Khadge land scam. Complainant says Mantri MB Patil violated law. Activist says land to Khadge family trust is illegal. Kalahali says qualified applicants were ignored here. Whistleblower says power abuse by the Congress chief's son. An allegation they're being made. Listen in.
ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ CA ಸೈಟ್ CA ನಿವೇಶನವನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಂಡಳಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಚಿವರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ MB ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ಯವಹಾರನ ನಡೆಸಿ ಸುಮಾರು 40 CA ನಿವೇಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರವಾಗಿ 96 ಎಕರೆಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಅರ್ಹ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಹತೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸದಂಥ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸಚಿವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಏಕಗವಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯು ಏಕಪಕ್ಷೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಕೈಗೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಹಲವಾರು ಎಕರೆಗಳ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ನಿವೇಶನ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಯತ್ತಾಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಸ್ವಾಯತ್ತಾಸಕ್ತಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫಾರಸು ಬಹಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸಚಿವರ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಈ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟದ ತನಿಖೆ ಆದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸತ್ಯಾಂಶ ಹೊರಬರುತ್ತೆ.
I'm going to go back to Sagai Raj for more details. Sagai, if you could once again take us through what the response of the Congress has been, given that this involves Priyank Kharge and the head of the Congress, the president of the Congress party here.
The MB Patil as well as Priyank Kharge have justified saying that Rahul Kharge is a qualified person who deserves to get this particular land, and MB Patil went on to say that he is an IAC engineer and he has applied, and as per the criteria which has been set by KIADB, accordingly they have granted this particular plot to them. And even Priyank Kharge has justified saying that they have followed all the norms, and in fact the SC/ST quota which has been given to them, but still they have made full payment, they have not taken any kind of concession. But the activists as well as the BJP claim that there is a nepotism. Why you have to call only for the people whom they wanted to allocate the land, and why they haven't even auctioned or called for a tender? If you have called for an auction or a tender, you would have got more money. The government would have got more money than like clearing according to the applicants which has been applied for this particular plot. And they have also claimed that they have only allocated the land to the people whomever they want to. So for an example, if I apply, if I know MB Patil, according to activists, they grant you land. And if MB Patil doesn't know him, probably they might not grant the land. So these are the allegations from the activists saying that whomever they know, especially the family members of Congress party leaders, have been granted this particular land, and it is a clear violation of norms of KIADB according to activists as well as BJP.
All right, thanking you for the moment, Sagai Raj. Getting in those details as far as this controversy is concerned, now the whistleblower has in fact indicated that the position was used to appropriate a piece of land. This is a land scam meant for aerospace. It's a charge that has been made by a whistleblower, and the BJP has latched on to this, saying that this was meant for an aerospace. Remember, this is not the first time, but in fact in the past as well, similar allegations have been made. This on the Karnataka government, but this one on prominent leader and former MP from Karnataka. Mallikarjun Kharge was the president of the Congress party now, and Priyank Kharge his son. I'm going to go across to Lehar Singh Siroya, MP from the Bharatiya Janata Party. I want to ask you, what is it that you now expect, given that these charges have been made? The whistleblower, the complainant, has spoken about the fact that the power in the position was used to acquire a piece of land which is meant for an aerospace.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
I have to speak?
Yes.
हाँ, ऐसा है कि ये आरोप जो लगाए गए हैं किसी आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट ने कुछ कलेक्ट किए हुए डॉक्यूमेंट के आधार पर आरोप लगाए हैं.
बिल्कुल.
हेलो?
बिल्कुल बोलिए.
हाँ, और उसको एक कन्नड़ की वेबसाइट है, उसने उनको उजागर किया था. तो जब मैंने वो वेबसाइट में देखा तो मेरा कर्तव्य बनता था कि इस बारे में बात की जाए कि ये क्या है, क्योंकि सरकार की और मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की छवि के लिए भी अच्छा है, इसकी निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए. और क्योंकि ये मैटर ऑलरेडी राज्यपाल महोदय के पास ऑलरेडी कंप्लेंट की जा चुकी है आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट के द्वारा पहले से ही, तो मैं समझता हूँ उस पर जांच होगी और जांच होने से सब बातें स्पष्ट होगी. लेकिन एक दूसरा प्रश्न ये है कि नैतिकता का एक प्रश्न आता है. जब स्वयं कैबिनेट में मिनिस्टर हो प्रियंक खड़गे जी और उनके और जमीन अलॉट हो रही हो और वो जमीन अपने नाम पे कर ले, जिसमें उनके पिताजी ट्रस्ट में जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं और उनका बहनों जो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है और उनके परिवार के नाम पे ये कर लीजिए, तो ये मोरल जो हाईग्राउंड सोनिया गांधी जी और राहुल गांधी जी लेते हैं, तो उसके अनुसार ये कहाँ तक उचित है, ये दूसरा सवाल है. और बाकी लीगलिटी और इलीगलिटी की बात है, वो जांच में सामने आएगा और मैं समझता हूँ कि सरकार को तुरंत जांच करवानी चाहिए.
सरकार से आपकी ये मांग है कि ये जांच तुरंत हो?
हाँ, होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो ये सरकार के लिए भी अच्छा है ना.
जी.
अगर कोई इलीगलिटी इसमें नहीं है और सही तरीके से अगर ये जमीन दी गई है तो सरकार की छवि के लिए भी अच्छा होगा और आदरणीय मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी के परिवार की छवि के लिए भी अच्छा होगा.
जी, शुक्रिया मैं साथ.
नैतिकता की बातें अपनी जगह है.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल शुक्रिया मैं साथ जुड़ने के लिए. In fact, you heard there from the BJP saying that why should the Karnataka government not order a probe and clear everything if there is no wrongdoing, because these allegations that have been made by a whistleblower and has now come to the surface. At a time when the Muda scam is haunting the Siddaramaiah government, Karnataka Congress has found itself in the middle of another controversy blowing up in its face. A controversy erupted following the approval of 5 acres of land under the SC quota to the Siddharth Vihar Trust, where Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, his son-in-law, son Priyank Kharge and Rahul Kharge, both of them are trustees. Now in this case, allegations of conflict of interest, nepotism, misuse of power have been levelled against Minister Priyank Kharge and other family members. Out of 45.94 acres of land allocated in the High-Tech Defence Aerospace Park by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, 5 acres were approved for the Siddharth Vihar Trust. Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge responded to allegations made by the BJP, saying it is an attempt to malign the Kharge family and mislead the people. Karnataka Minister M.B. Patil defended the allotment, saying that Rahul Kharge was a qualified applicant and that the site was granted based on merit through a single window approval.
See, I have been very clear in my post on X with respect to the allegation made by a BJP Rajya Sabha member. Firstly, it is not an industrial plot. It is not meant for industrial or commercial purposes. It is meant for educational purposes. Number one. Number two, it's a CA site. A CA site has to be bought. And the intention of the trust was to set up multi-skill development centers in the CA site. Well, I don't understand what is wrong with that, especially when the trust comes from a background of setting up educational institutions. And KIDB, we have not requested any subsidy. We have not requested any deferred payment. Nor has the KID provided with any of those things for the civic community plots.
See, I think this same application was given, I think, a month, 1.5 months back. Number one, his allegations are totally baseless. I don't value them at all. Number one. I have not violated a single thing. He says applications are only called for.
Understands the process of procuring a CA site. It is not free, number one. It is not subsidized, number two. Number three, you have to apply for it, and based on your criteria, they give it to you. Neither we have asked for deferred payment, neither we have asked for a subsidy, neither we have claimed anything that is illegal in that. So even now, BJP is unable to point out what the problem is. They are just shooting in the dark. And like I said earlier, it is meant for educational purpose and it is not an industrial plot. And moreover, the department had called for 197 plots, CA sites, बेचने के लिए, and only 47 people applied, 43 or 47 people applied, and that has been clarified by the department. So where is there, when the demand and supply is so underrated, where is the question of favoritism? And we are paying whoever applies for a CA site, whether it is me or whether you have to pay for it. So what is wrong with it? The problem with BJP is when their leaders do it illegally, they keep quiet. Whether it's Rashtrathana, whether it is Chanakya University. How did the Chanakya University get 400 acres of land in Hardware Park when they were in power at subsidized rates? This is a CA site. We have to pay for it. How come that time they keep quiet? How Rashtrathana throughout state they are getting sites? Let them answer that. This is nothing but, like I said earlier, they are shooting in the dark. They have nothing to do. And Mr. Leher Singh, I think he is getting into political oblivion, and that is the reason why he intends to do such thing. He's still not been able to point out what is the fault in this entire thing.
सर, उनका कहना है कि राजनीतिक प्रभाव वाला
कैसे भाई, कैसे 200 साइट थे, करीबन 200 साइट थे, अप्लाई किया ही 45, 41 या 45, whatever is the thing. So प्रभाव कैसा होगा? और ये क्या मुफ्त में दे रहे कोई? बीजेपी के कितने लिए है, जेडीएस के कितने लिए है, कांग्रेस के कितने लिए है, प्राइवेट में कितने लिए, पब्लिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस कितने लिए, सब देख लीजिए ना. सीए साइट इज फॉर एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस। उनको अकल नहीं है, या तो बोलना ना कि ऐसे ऐसे नियम उल्लंघन किए हैं करके, कहाँ बोले हैं? वेयर इज इट? अभी तो दिस इज नथिंग बट लहर सिंह जी इज नाउ इनटू पॉलिटिकल ऑब्लिवियन।